So grateful for all your support to me. We love Rosemary's Toys, we can do it. Remember, nothing is impossible. Blessings and love to you, my beautiful friends.
Hello, my beautiful friends! Welcome back to my channel, Rosemary Toys! Yay! My friends, today we're going to create this craft idea, yes, this Christmas centerpiece. I hope you like and enjoy with me. Remember, you can use your imagination and creativity to create anything, my friends. And also want to say thank you for all your support to me during this 2025. I feel so happy and fortunate to have your friendship, and I will always carry you in my heart. May your life be filled with love and happiness, and your year be full of positive energy and good vibes. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, my beautiful friends. I love you so much. Amigos, muchas gracias por todo su apoyo durante este año 2025. Muchas bendiciones, que sea lleno este próximo año de 2026 de muchas felicidad, mucho amor, mucha paz, buenas energías. Tenga una feliz Navidad y un próspero 2026 al lado de sus seres queridos. Gracias por todo su apoyo a este espacio de Rosemary Toys. Nos vemos y espero les guste esta idea de este florero simple pero con mucho amor. Los quiero mucho, amigos. Bye bye.